Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shukra. So this is going to be another luxury haul. I have some items from Hermes, Dolce Gabbana, and Amina Muaddi. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with Dolce Gabbana first. So I picked this up. I picked this up on Farfetch. So this is the box. It is a sandal that I picked up. So these are my first pair of shoes from Dolce & Gabbana. So let's open them. I did not, unbox them. So this is like a true unboxing. I have not seen the shoes like in person. I ordered this online. So comes with a little card, one dust bag, okay, so these are the sandals I picked up from Dolce & Gabbana. Look, just like this. It's just the DC, not DC, the DG for Dolce & Gabbana. I picked this up in black. So these are the shoes, both of them together. The bottom is like this. I picked these up in a size 38. I am normally a US 7.5 to an 8, but in designer shoes, I usually like to go for, a 38. So these are the shoes. Picked them up in black. There are a lot of different colors I could have picked them up in, but I do not have a pair of like luxury shoes, sandals in black. So I was like, might as well, get them in black. Even though this is more of a summer shoe, you can still wear black in the summer months. So these are them. Like I said, I picked these up on Farfetch because they have a great selection of designer shoes. So I was like, why not? Okay, so these next items are from Amina Moati. So these are going to be my first pair of shoes from Amina Moati. I've always had my eye on this brand, and it was just kind of difficult picking my first pair from Amina Moati. I picked this up on Farfetch as well, so the selection is great. And I kind of compared what was elsewhere, like on her site, and what was on Farfetch, and I decided to go with this pair because of a bag that will be coming. So this is the box, and yeah, so this is my first time seeing these in person too. Like I said, I ordered everything online and did not see anything in person. Okay, so this is cute. The dust bag, I love this color. This is so cute. I love this. Okay, so this is the tissue wrapping. Trying to do this as neat and nice as possible. So let's see. Oh, I'm excited. Woo! So, okay. Let's open this up. Oh my god, this color. The color. Oh, this. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Ooh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Oh wow. I was a little nervous about the color, but oh wow. Oh wow, this color, oh, yes, yes. Like, when you see something in person, you're like, yes, I did the right, I made the right choice, okay, sorry. So these are the bottoms. I picked these up in a 38, of course, and look at this, let me get the second pair instead of just losing my mind. Okay, so These are the shoes. The side, the back, the bottom. Size 38. These are the Gilda slipper, I believe, Gilda slipper. And oh my gosh, I'm just so happy about this color. This is such a rich, like, purple. It's creamy, it's rich, it's silky. I don't even know how to describe this purple. It's so wonderful. Like, I love it. And like I said, I picked up this color because of a bag that will be coming soon. Because I'm like, I need a shoe that I will be able to wear with that bag. Oh, guys, do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my gosh, beautiful. So beautiful. Oh man. And then her signature heel. I love it. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. This is such a great, like, summer shoe and spring. Oh, I love this. It was tough picking a pair as my first, because there are a lot of great options for Amina Muaddi, like, shoes. Like, I feel like, as we all know, I was like, okay, these shoes make sense. And I love this. I love this. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Okay, yay! Okay, next up I have from Hermes a pair of shoes. Try to guess before I unbox them what shoes these are. Spring is here, summer's around the corner. You guys can figure out what shoes I picked up. Okay, so came packaged like this, of course, tied. Ah. Okay, they gave me a complimentary perfume sample, so that's nice of them. And a card. I'm not gonna open the card with you guys. All right, so I feel like if you already guessed, you know what these are. Try to guess the color. Give you some time. Guess the color. All right, did you guys guess? Okay, so let me get myself together. I'm like, just, yeah. So I picked up a pair of Oran sandals in the color white. So these are a 37.5. I actually thought I picked these up in a 8. So, I thought I picked these up in a 38. So I'm kind of nervous right now because I'm pretty sure I picked these up in a 38. I ordered these online, so let me try these on. Okay, so I tried these on and they fit. My other Oran sandals are in a 38. I'm gonna go back and like compare now, because the 37.5 fits me. Like, I'm a 7.5 to 8, but I still do like a 38 mostly. But like 37.5 fits. So so these are the back. Yeah, 37.5. I'm surprised. I always do a 38. So I picked these up. Sandals, so Oran sandals from Hermes. I picked up the white. I have them in gold already. I just knew I needed a pair in white because, you know, it's white, you know, like, let's get some white. I know I have to be a little bit more careful with these compared to the others, but no biggie. I'm still like stuck on the fact that this is a 7.5 and it fits me like well, like it's okay. I don't know, maybe I guess I don't have to send them back to exchange the size, but yeah, I'm really gonna look at the other ones I have now. But yes, I picked these up on the website, like I said, and I know I'm gonna get a good amount of wear with these shoes. I'm trying to add a white bag to my collection, so that's part of the reason why I picked these up. Just so, like, you know when you're buying, when you want and you are about to get a new bag, you have to think of, like, you know, how am I gonna style it? And like, the shoes you wear with it are a big component because you want to match. You don't have to be matchy all the time, but like, you know, usually you'd like the colors to match or flow. So that's why I picked this up, because I feel like I need a nice white bag for summertime. So okay, so pick these up. I already own a pair, so I already kind of know that these are comfortable. The wear and tear is great, but don't be outside like running in mud, clearly. But other than that, yeah, and the fits nicely on my foot, but who knows, over time these shoes can stretch like a little bit, so, but I feel like I don't even need them to stretch because they're great. I'm so happy I picked these up. I was gonna go for a different style, you know, the new one that has like fabric in the middle and then a little bit, it looks a little fringy on the outside. I was actually leaning more towards that. Well, not more, but I was debating on either just getting these type of classics style compared to those new ones. I might end up getting those too down the road, but I'm glad I went with this. I feel like this is very classic and simple and will go with a lot of different things. So pick this up. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this little luxury haul of my new pair of shoes, 3 new pairs of shoes that I picked up, getting ready for the summer, getting ready for the hot months, and you know, just getting my closet, you know, up and running with a few new things. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos. And also please make sure to hit the like button as well. Bye.